Smashy.
And Auxiliary. Welcome back to the My Little Pony Fun Toys channel. And today we're going to do a little experiment.
We're going to make homemade slime. So the experiment is we'll see which works better, cornstarch or flour. And then you'll need water also.
Yep, and what you're going to need is a bowl, some water,
So
spoons for mixing it with, and this is optional, but you can use food coloring if you want to make colored slime.
We're going to color slime.
Yep.
They don't.
So we put in our dry ingredients, minus cornstarch.
And minus flour.
And now we're going to add a little water.
Be careful.
Yes.
You
Be careful and add it slow because you don't want too much water. But well, mix it up. So we have our slime here. And now we are going to add our food colorings.
It's cool. I am adding in some glitter.
Yep, we added some glitter to our slimes. They are almost done. Woohoo!
I'm going to add a little bit of my rainbow confetti.
Yep. Smashy is going for a rainbow confetti approach.
And it's not working out too well, but it's pretty.
Yep. We'll get back to you when our slimes are finished. We are done with our slimes, and here are our final products. Dun dun dun! Slime waterfall.
Again, rainbow waterfall.
So here is mine. When you play with it, it's really drippy.
And here's mine. Ooh, it's watery.
Yeah.
Oh, it's slimier than I thought it would be.
Ooh, okay.
I thought it was going to be like...
So, the cornstarch makes a squishy slime, and the flour makes a wetter slime. And to find a true winner, only our viewers can decide. So, the shoutout questions for today's video are going to be, vote which kind of slime is your favorite, the flour slime or the cornstarch slime? And in our next video, we will let you guys know if there is a winner. Or you can let us know if you have made any slime yourself. So we'll see you next time. Bye.